With just 2 ingredients, 2 simple and easy ingredients, I'm going to show you a spectacular recipe that in the summer is truly out of this world. Because in my opinion, simple things are the best things. You make them quickly, you eat them quickly, they're tasty and flavorful, and you know exactly what you're eating. Let's start by cutting ripe, fragrant cherry tomatoes in half. Whether they're red cherry, date, or pacino tomatoes. Cut them in half, wash them, pat them dry, leave the skin on, leave the seeds in, just remove the stems. Extra virgin olive oil, a comfortable pan. Let's add 2 or 3 swirls of oil, but not too much. A small piece of garlic, not too much, some oil, and if you like it, a bit of chili pepper, which is good for you. When the garlic starts to brown, add our tomatoes. A comfy pan, let the tomatoes sauté, add salt to the tomatoes and salt for the pasta. Cook for about 3 minutes, squish them a bit but not too much, no need to make it into a sauce. Meanwhile, put the spaghetti down to cook. After 3 minutes, they're cooked. Put the tomatoes in the blender. A buffalo mozzarella is good for 2 people. I've added the salt earlier, now I'll add some pepper. Close the blender and blend until you get a fantastic coral-colored sauce. Turn off the stove, let the pan cool down, and the sauce should be lukewarm too. If the temperature gets too high, the mozzarella will come back together, so keep it like this. Cook the spaghetti al dente. If you don't want to use spaghetti, you can use macaroni, penne, whatever you like. But spaghetti are the best for this. This is a dish that even someone who has never held a knife or a fork can make. Look at this wonderful, easy and delicious dish. Take some sauce from the pan and put it on top if you like. Add a piece of mozzarella on top for garnish. A bit of basil and it's ready. Chef Matthew's Kitchen. Subscribe for more.